Healthy Mothers, Healthy Babies is a critical organization and service offered in Palm Beach County.
We provide services for babies, but before they're born, prenatally, to make sure that those babies come as healthy as possible and in the right environment.
There were hundreds of women who were coming to hospital emergency rooms ready to deliver babies who had had no prenatal care. Healthy Mothers, Healthy Babies was established by a number of organizations to try to find a way for these women to get into prenatal care.
Lack of early prenatal care means low birth weight babies. And low birth weight babies means medical complications. One of the things that we can do as a community is to make sure that these kids get a fair chance by being full-term babies that are healthy and happy to start with.
That is so important. They can early identify if there are any critical needs that the mother may have.
We belong to a network of agencies, and that forms the Healthy Beginning system. We screen and assess the women, and based on their needs, we connect these women to the appropriate services through the county.
Our mission, first and foremost, is to make sure that a woman gets continuous prenatal care. That's difficult for a lot of women. They don't have a payer source to pay for their prenatal care. They don't have transportation. They don't understand the importance of having prenatal care.
Teens and young moms don't always have access to formula, diapers, baby food. It can be very expensive. We try to offer as much community service we can by way of education.
They're really helping people at the most basic beginning levels, and everything built on that. Many young mothers do not have information and education about how to be a mom, about how to take care of themselves during pregnancy, how to treat a young baby.
I remember a woman calling me years ago, and she told me that her husband wanted to give her relief one night and to help her, and the baby fell off the chair that the baby was sleeping on. And I said, "You don't have a crib for your baby?" And she said, "No, I don't." For me, this was a shift in thinking. I thought everyone would have the support of a mother and all the equipment that they needed, but they don't, and they have a lot of needs.
The most vital services provided by Healthy Mothers, Healthy Babies is helping pregnant women access a payer source, helping women find a medical home, and helping pregnant women identify what services or supports they may need in order to have a healthy birth outcome.
We are changing lives and giving people, providing them with bridges to connect them to resources, also to find themselves.
Our clients are everyone. They're every age, they're every race, and we're just trying to be supportive.
Le doy las gracias al Centro de Bienestar Familiar por toda la ayuda, todo el cariño y toda la fuerza que me dio en el tiempo que estuve aquí, y de todas las cosas que aprendí. Le doy muchas gracias y que ojalá.
We have offices in Belle Glade, we have offices in the north side of the county, Delray Beach, Lake Worth, Lantana, and we also have a mobile office. So I think we are making ourselves very accessible. Dads also have babies, and our staff is trained to provide that support to the fathers and to honor them and to make sure that they understand the importance of their role in the upbringing of their babies.
In 1985, 20% of the deliveries at St. Mary's Hospital were to women that had no prenatal care whatsoever. And now that rate is down to between 1% and 2%. So in the past 20 years, we've had a significant role in helping to reduce that rate. A lot of people think that's not going to be my child, that's not going to be my neighbor, that's not going to be someone I know. But there are a lot of people in our county that really need assistance.
There are several ways that anybody and everybody can get involved.
Organizations can make contributions to us.
We have food drives and different employers to stock the shelves so that these young moms have formula.
When you have children and they have outgrown their baby clothes, and if they're in good repair, bring them. If you're at the grocery store and you can spare to buy an extra bag of diapers, you can help us with that. And you don't have to come to any of our offices. We can actually pick it up from you.
Many people have skills that, if they think about them, can transfer to really good volunteer work that can benefit our clients. We have some women that knit blankets, and that's such an important thing that can help.
So you may have an idea, let me tell you, and we are welcome to receive ideas. How can we improve access to care?
Help us with an event, or sit on a committee that would advise us of different areas perhaps that we don't have the expertise.
Share the news with other people, educate other people. Together we can make a difference.
We all benefit by healthy babies growing up in our community, living long and productive lives. There are so many opportunities out there for individuals in this community of all ages to help out.
It's easy to write a check, but when you know exactly who you're helping and how you're making a difference, that to me is the rewarding part.
You might consider thinking about us in your will. A lot of people include us in their estate, and that goes a long way.
Through education and through funding, you really can make a direct hands-on difference to the quality of the lives for these young moms and for their kids. These children deserve to have the best possible chance. It's a great organization that does great work, and I'm glad that I can be involved.
When I see that we're reaching into 56,000 families in Palm Beach County and making a difference, make sure that these kids get a fair start, then I say, you know, that's good. When I'm gone, those people, they're never going to know my name. I'm not going to be written in any of their books, but maybe I can do something that's going to make their lives better than they would have been, and that makes me feel good.